So today I'm going to take you step by step on opening up a TopCashBack account. Now, as we go through this, I will be here showing you step by step all the questions it will ask. If you'd like to get to this same landing page to get you started, I'll have a link for you in the show notes down below to go ahead and jump right to this same page. Now, sometimes that link helps support us out so we can make more free content just like this for you. Now, the first question it's going to ask you is to plug in an email address as well as a password, and you can go ahead and toss in how you heard about them. And from there, we're going to go ahead and click on join for free. Now, from right over here, we actually get straight into our brand new account. But before we can actually do anything else, we want to make sure we authenticate our email address, making sure that in case it goes into your promotions folder or your spam folder, we want to go ahead and verify that before we can continue on with anything else. And once we went ahead and clicked that link in the email, it takes us right back to the page over here. And it says your account has been authenticated, and you can click on your account. And just like that, we created our TopCashBack account. You can see on the bottom right over here, there's a few more things you can do to complete your profile to add in additional information if you like. But from here, you can actually go ahead and start earning your cash back, whether by purchases or doing different tasks. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to have a link for you in the show notes down below to go ahead and jump right to that same landing page and get started with your account. Now, that link does help us out to make more free content just like this. And speaking of free content, check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.